So we're now working on the rear of this 2016 Lexus IS200T. We're going to be replacing the lights on the dome lights. It takes 3 T10s, and right now you can see the halogens. All of these are halogens at this moment, and you can see that even with 3 bulbs on, you get a fair enough amount of light. But once you see the LEDs, you'll know that it's a worthy upgrade. So let's get these replaced, guys. It's pretty simple. I'm going to turn all the power off, and all you want to do before you even start is this light's going to stay on until the doors are all closed, or if you turn off the lights in the rear. So we'll get those lights turned off. It's going to be in your front console, so you want to make sure you turn off the option for the auto light up when the doors are open. Once that's turned off, you can see it just turned off by itself. And the way you're going to start is there's actually openings right here. There'll be 2 slots. There'll be one right there. So I'll turn on the light just so you guys can see right now. There's going to be 1 slot right here, okay, and 1 slot right here. So we're going to start here, just like that. You can see it starts to come out right here too. Just take your time. Okay, comes off just like that. I'm going to put that to the side. At this point, turn off your lights because you don't want it to get hot, because when it gets hot, it's more difficult to pull out. You're gonna have to do the little wiggle trick to get these out, because they will be in there, especially after they're warmed up. I believe they expand. Don't quote me on that, but I find it's harder to pull out when they're hot, besides actually burning you. But so just take your time. Doesn't require too much pressure when gripping these, because you don't want to break them in your hand. So just take your time. As you pull, wiggle them out, and slowly they come out, okay? At that point, you're gonna get your new LEDs, which are gonna be the Lasfit T10s. Okay. Put it to the side. I'm gonna line these up. Okay. So once you got it in, it's a little bit tricky because you're in an awkward position trying to put these in. But once you get it in, make sure it's straight. Test it. As you can see, it's working fine. At this point, you're gonna do the same thing for all the other 2. And we're going to do that now and show you how it looks when they're all put in, okay? So there you have it, guys. They are now all installed. Right now we have just the center one that's active with the auto function. So we're going to activate the other 2. So that's 1, 2. So just with that, you can see it lights up very, very bright. If we test just 1 bulb, you pretty much get the effect of the 3 halogens in one, and it's even then a little bit more brighter than it. And once you add the other 2, you definitely light up the whole back seats, okay? So if you guys have any questions, concerns, feel free to let us know. This pretty much completes the full installation. Just remember to put back your plate, which we're gonna do right now real quick. There's 2 tabs in the back. If you see these right here, you wanna make sure those go in first. So put it in here, and then it should just clip in, just like that. All right, so thank you for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next video.